Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. In this video, I'm taking you on a tour of my little 4x4 mini album. This is I'm calling it a flap album, one of my flap albums. I have a 5x7 flap album and a 6x6 flap album, and this is a 4x4, made a little bit differently, but just full of flaps. So there you go. So this one is using a Heartfelt Creations Christmas collection, and the name of the collection escapes me, so I apologize. But it is definitely Heartfelt Creations. I even used some stamps and dies from the collection, and I added some prills for the center of these flowers, and I used some Designer Dries clear liquid glue to put some clear glitter on these flowers, like a clear white shimmer glitter on there. So you can do that however you want. You can use stickles if you want, however you want to decorate it. The glitter and the prills do not come in your kit. You can use whatever centers or glitter you would like. So yes, but I did use these gold metallic prills, and I did use Designer Dries clear liquid glue with some glitter. But the flowers and the dies do come in your kit. You will have to color these. I use ink pad and dauber. I don't have the names in front of me, but if you pick up one of these kits, I do have that listed in the instructions for you on what inks I use to make those. Here is a look at the back and the spine. I did ink the edges of every decorative page. I used black ink pad and dauber. So here's the inside front cover. In the kit, everything comes pre-cut for you. I shouldn't say everything. There's very few items that you will have to cut. Some of the cut parts you may have to cut out, such as these. You might receive a full sheet and then you just cut these out real easy. But other than that, most of the pieces are pre-cut for you. So here's the inside front cover inserts. The instructions do come with full color photos as well, and there's video tutorial for the anyone who purchases a kit as well. So here's the first page. You have the flap. Now the white, I inked the white just so that you can see what it would look like with a photo with the white frame around it. White does not come in the kit. This is just in place of the photo. And I just have these stickers here that I added that say photo here. I do sell the digital version of these stickers in my Etsy shop, so I'll put the link below. So you can check that out if you'd like to print your own. I use the Avery labels to print on for the photo here stickers. Oh, there is an insert on the inside of each page. There's an insert in there. They can put photos on the front and the back. And every page, there's 3 base pages. They're all assembled the same. The placement's a little different. So each page has a flap, but it's on all 4 sides. So this one's on the top. You're going to find one will be on the bottom, one will be on the left, one will be on the right. And then as well as this kind of moves around as well. But there's a base page flap and then a small flap for each page. So here's page 2. Page 3. Page 4. Page 5. And finally page 6. Then the inside back cover also has a pocket here. That comes out, and here are the 3 inserts that come in the back. In the back, you just place a photo. And you can use this for some journaling. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little walkthrough, and I hope to see you again in a future video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And please follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I post updates, and I have new releases in my Etsy shop every week. Albums do not release every week. They do take me a few months to put together. So maybe a few times a year you'll see a new album from me. But we do have page kits as well, and those do release new kits every single week. And we're constantly restocking older page kits as well. But we do not restock albums. So if you would like a kit, go ahead and pick it up. If you don't see a kit in my shop that you find here on YouTube, feel free to send me a message. Most likely it's out of stock, but that's not always the case because I do shows as well in person, and I will take them around as well. So thank you so much for checking out this video, and have a great day.